Our bodies are made of trillions of cells. Each cell is a bustling city, full of life and activity. Within these cellular cities lie tiny powerhouses called mitochondria. These bean-shaped organelles are the unsung heroes of our existence. They provide the energy that drives every heartbeat, every breath, and every thought. Mitochondria even have their own DNA, separate from the cell's nucleus. This hints at their evolutionary past, suggesting they were once independent organisms. Imagine a world without electricity. Our homes would be dark, our phones lifeless, our cities silent. This is life without energy, and it's a fate our cells narrowly avoid thanks to cellular respiration. This intricate process, occurring within the mitochondria, is how we derive energy from the food we eat. Cellular respiration is a four-stage process. It begins with glycolysis, followed by the link reaction, then the Krebs cycle, and finally, the electron transport chain. Each step is a carefully choreographed dance of molecules, transferring energy and driving the production of ATP, the cell's energy currency. The food we consume is broken down into glucose, a simple sugar. This glucose molecule is the starting point for cellular respiration, a journey that will ultimately transform it into usable energy for the cell. It's a remarkable process, essential for every aspect of life. Every journey begins with a single step. For cellular respiration, that step is glycolysis. This initial stage takes place in the cell's cytoplasm, outside the mitochondria. It's here that glucose, the molecule brimming with potential energy, takes its first steps towards transformation. During glycolysis, the 6-carbon glucose molecule is split into 2 molecules of pyruvate, a 3-carbon compound. This splitting isn't a simple break. It involves a series of chemical reactions, each catalyzed by a specific enzyme. These enzymes act like skilled craftsmen, carefully guiding the transformation of glucose. Glycolysis doesn't generate a large amount of ATP directly. Instead, it produces a small amount of ATP and NADH, another energy-carrying molecule. Think of NADH as a courier, carrying energy packets to be used later in the electron transport chain. Glycolysis is the first spark, initiating the cellular energy production process. With glycolysis complete, the 2 pyruvate molecules are ready to enter the mitochondria, the powerhouse where the real energy production begins. However, the mitochondria are exclusive clubs, and pyruvate needs a special pass to enter. This is where the link reaction comes into play. The link reaction, also known as the pyruvate oxidation, occurs in the mitochondria's matrix. Here, each pyruvate molecule is converted into acetyl-CoA, a 2-carbon molecule attached to coenzyme A. This transformation is crucial, as acetyl-CoA is the key that unlocks the door to the Krebs cycle, the next stage of cellular respiration. The link reaction is more than just a gateway. It also generates more NADH, those energy couriers, ferrying energy packets to the electron transport chain. This preparatory step ensures that the cell maximizes its energy harvest from each glucose molecule. Section 5. The Krebs cycle, a cellular merry-go-round. Imagine a bustling carousel, with riders hopping on and off at each turn. This is the Krebs cycle, a metabolic merry-go-round in the mitochondria's matrix. It dismantles acetyl-CoA, extracting energy bit by bit. The cycle starts with acetyl-CoA merging with oxaloacetate. This forms citrate, the namesake of the citric acid cycle. Citrate undergoes transformations, losing carbons and harvesting energy. NADH and FADH2 are generated, collecting energy packets. A small amount of ATP is also produced. Section 6. Energy's final act, the electron transport chain. The electron transport chain is the grand finale of cellular respiration, the stage where the real energy payoff occurs. It's a series of protein complexes, embedded within the mitochondria's inner membrane, the cristae, resembling a complex assembly line. Here, the energy couriers, NADH and FADH2, deliver their precious cargo electrons. These electrons are passed from one protein complex to another down the chain, like a relay race. With each transfer, energy is released, used to pump protons, tiny positively charged particles, across the inner membrane. This pumping action creates a proton gradient, a difference in proton concentration across the membrane. Like water flowing downhill, these protons flow back across the membrane through a special enzyme called ATP synthase. This flow drives the production of ATP, the cell's energy currency, the ultimate goal of cellular respiration. Section 7. ATP, the currency of life. Imagine a world without money. How would we trade goods and services? How would we fuel our economies? Cells face a similar dilemma without ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency of life. ATP is a remarkable molecule. It stores energy in its chemical bonds, ready to be released when needed. This energy powers a vast array of cellular processes, from muscle contraction to nerve impulse transmission to protein synthesis. It's the fuel that keeps our cellular cities bustling with activity. The energy released when ATP breaks down into ADP, adenosine diphosphate, is used to drive countless cellular reactions. It's like charging your phone. ATP is fully charged, while ADP is like a partially drained battery. Cellular respiration constantly recharges ADP back to ATP, ensuring a steady supply of this vital energy currency. Section 8. The Symphony of Energy. Cellular respiration is a symphony of molecular events, a testament to the elegance and efficiency of nature. From the initial spark of glycolysis to the grand finale of the electron transport chain, each step is perfectly orchestrated, ensuring the maximum extraction of energy from glucose. This intricate process highlights the interconnectedness of life. The food we eat, the air we breathe, the energy that powers our every move. It's all linked through this remarkable metabolic pathway. Cellular respiration is a fundamental process, essential for the survival of virtually all living organisms on Earth. The next time you take a bite of food or feel your heart beating, remember the incredible journey happening within your cells. It's a journey of energy transformation, a symphony of molecular events that keeps us alive and thriving. Section 9. Beyond the powerhouse. Other roles of mitochondria. While renowned as the powerhouses of the cell, mitochondria are far more than just energy factories. They are versatile organelles, playing critical roles in various cellular processes, essential for maintaining the cell's health and function. Mitochondria play a crucial role in calcium homeostasis, regulating the levels of this vital signaling molecule within the cell. They are also involved in apoptosis, programmed cell death, a critical process for eliminating damaged or unwanted cells, preventing disease. Furthermore, mitochondria are involved in the synthesis of essential molecules, including amino acids and heme, a component of hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen in our blood. These diverse roles highlight the multifaceted nature of mitochondria, extending far beyond their energy-producing capabilities. Section 10. A universe within. The exploration of mitochondria is a journey into a universe within. These tiny organelles, once free-living organisms, now reside within our cells, powering our every move, thought, and emotion. Their intricate structure, their complex metabolic pathways, their diverse roles, all point to the elegance and efficiency of nature. Understanding mitochondria is not just about unraveling the secrets of cellular energy production. It's about appreciating the interconnectedness of life, the remarkable journey of evolution, and the intricate machinery that keeps us alive. The next time you gaze upon a star-studded sky, remember the tiny universes within your own cells. Just as stars illuminate the cosmos, mitochondria illuminate the microscopic world within, powering the symphony of life.